Have you ever wondered what the most expensive hotel in the world is? Well, forget your typical $200 to $500 a night weekend getaways, as the ones on this list start at $28,000 a night. From luxury penthouse suites, overlooking breathtaking city vistas, to lavish underwater hotels, the pricey pads on this list have it all. So, if money is no object for you and you're looking for your next premium getaway, then here's a list of the 10 most expensive hotels in the world. Before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. These are the 10 most expensive hotels in the world. 10. The Royal Suite, Burj Al Arab, price, $28,000. Starting off the list of the most expensive hotels in the world is one of the most well-known hotels, the Burj Al Arab. Located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, the Burj was marketed as the world's first ever 7-star hotel, and it goes without saying that it most definitely lives up to expectations. It's the 7th tallest hotel in the world and was designed by architect Tom Wright to resemble the sail of a ship. The hotel stands on a man-made artificial island that's only accessible to the mainland by a private curving bridge. As well as all the lavish bells and whistles you'd expect to find inside a 7-star hotel, like an underwater restaurant that's accessible by submarine, the Burj Al Arab also has its very own private helipad, near the roof, approximately 210 meters above sea level. One night in the Royal Suite will cost you a minimum of $28,000. The 780 square meter suite, set over 2 floors, is decorated in 22-karat gold and comes with a private dining area and butler, spa, private lounge and numerous staff to answer your every beck and call. Not bad for $28,000 a night. 9. The Royal Suite, the Plaza, price, $40,000. Next up we have another Royal Suite, but this one's in the Plaza, New York and will run you a cool $40,000 a night. So, what do you get for that? Well, to start with, you get to the suite using the building's private lift, that only you can use. Next, you enter the 400 square foot suite and are greeted with an exquisitely designed living room, equipped with the latest top-of-the-line amenities and luxuries. The suite has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a lounge, a separate dining room, which seats up to 12 people, and a fitness room. From the bedroom, you have a spectacular view of Fifth Avenue. So if you don't feel like lounging around in bed all day, then you can make use of the 24-hour butler service the suite provides. 8. The Hilltop Villa, price, $45,000. The Hilltop Villa is tucked away in paradise, only accessible to the super rich. The hotel is located Lukala Island in Fiji and costs an impressive $45,000 a night. But, for that, you'll get a 4-acre villa, split into 3 separate villas, that each offers the most beautiful views of the island. The first villa, the Delana, comes with a master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe, a library, a living room, your own large private pool with waterfall and hot tub and a solid wood-soaking tub. The second villa, the Dua, has similar specifications but sleeps 2 comfortably, with sliding doors separating all the rooms. And lastly, the Rua, has a separate living area and large private pool and is the second biggest villa out of the 3. If you're looking to get away with friends or family, then the Hilltop Villa could be a perfect getaway as it sleeps up to 8 people and has all the luxurious you need from a hotel. 7. The Muraki Suite, the Conrad, price, $50,000. Coming in at number 7 on our list of the most expensive hotels in the world is the Muraki. The suite is located in the Maldives at the Conrad and is marketed as the world's first underwater hotel suite. The Muraki is 2 stories tall, with the bottom story being roughly 16 feet below the Indian Ocean. For $50,000 a night, you can expect to be automatically upgraded to Hilton Diamond status upon arrival, enjoy a private chef, bar, gym, butler and infinity pool. However, don't get too ahead of yourself as there's a 4-night minimum stay requirement. So, if you really want to stay there, then you're looking to spend more in the region of $200,000. 6. The Penthouse Suite, Hotel Martinez, price, $53,000. The Penthouse Suite, in the Hotel Martinez, will set you back $53,000 a night. Hotel Martinez is located in Cannes, France, which is one of the best-known resorts in the Côte d'Azur. For your $53,000 you can expect to enjoy a 1,000 square foot suite on the uppermost floor of the hotel, with stunning panoramic views across the ocean from your own private wood-paneled panorama terrace. You'll also have king-sized beds in each of the 4 bedrooms, a separate living and dining room, marble bathrooms, a Turkish bath and a private jacuzzi on the terrace. If you're into your art, then you'll be pleased to know that there are several artifacts from Picasso and Matisse decorating the walls of the suite. If art's not really your thing, then you can sit back and enjoy the view from the terrace. 5. Ty Warner Penthouse, 4 Seasons, price, $60,000. Kicking off the top 5 countdown is the Ty Warner Penthouse at the Four Seasons Hotel, New York. The luxury hotel suite is named after the owner of the building, Ty Warner, and will cost you around $60,000 a night. Located on the very top floor of the building, the 52nd to be exact, the $400 square meter suite cost approximately $50 million to complete. The suite comes with a 360-degree panoramic view of the city and contains 4 glass balconies that provide views of Uptown, Midtown and downtown New York. Now, you'll only get 1 bedroom with this suite, but you'll also get a spa, a rock crystal master bathroom, a panorama infinity tub, a private elevator and a dedicated guest relations manager and chauffeured Rolls-Royce at your disposal. If that's not enough, then you can take advantage of the unlimited massages that are thrown in for good measure. 4. The Mark Penthouse, the Mark Hotel, price, $75,000. The Mark Hotel's Grand Penthouse is the largest hotel suite penthouse in the United States, covering a whopping 10,000 square feet. For you $75,000 a night, you can expect a spacious penthouse that's spread out over the top 2 floors of the hotel. You'll get 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 4 fireplaces, 2 wet bars, 2 powder rooms and a large open-plan living room. The living room also has its own party trick, as it can be transformed into a full-size ballroom with 26-foot ceilings. Perhaps one of the nicest features of the penthouse suite is its 250 square meter terrace, with panoramic views of Central Park. So if you want to play the king, queen of New York for a while, then book yourself a few nights in this suite. 3. The Royal Penthouse, Hotel President Wilson, price, $80,000. If you're in Geneva, Switzerland and have $80,000 to spend a night, then this is the hotel for you. The Royal Penthouse in the Hotel President Wilson occupies the entire 8th floor of the hotel. It offers a panoramic view of Lake Geneva and Mont Blanc, as well as 12 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms and a jacuzzi bath overlooking the lake. Besides the luxurious furnishings and views, you'll also benefit from a 24/7 personal assistant, private chef and butler. If safety is a top concern for you when staying in a luxury hotel, then rest assured that the Royal Penthouse is one of the safest places to be. It has bulletproof glass, 24/7 security, a security camera system throughout the suite and a fortified safe to store your valuables. You'll also find a 1930 Brunswick billiard table, a Steinway grand piano and a Bang & Olufsen's BO Vision 4:103 home cinema system. And all this can be reached by your own private elevator. 2. Empathy Suite, The Palms, price, $100,000. Breaking the $100,000 a night price tag, the Empathy Suite at the Palms, Las Vegas, is the 2nd most expensive hotel in the world. The Empathy Suite was the result of a full redesign, by Damien Hirst, and a complete overhaul of the old Sky Villa suite. For $100,000 you'll get 2 master bedrooms, massage tables, a cantilevered jacuzzi that overlooks the Las Vegas Strip, a salt relaxation room and a private tour of the property's art collection and amenities. This hotel suite is really for art lovers, as space includes 6 Damien Hirst originals and custom furniture that includes his motifs. So, if you're a Damien Hirst fan and you've got the spare cash, then treat yourself. 1. Lover's Deep, Luxury Submarine Hotel, price, $150,000. At $150,000 a night, the Lover's Deep Luxury Submarine Hotel is the most expensive hotel in the world. Now, it's not the same type of experience you'd expect from some of the other hotels on the list, as it requires you to go underwater in a submarine. However, if you want to combine a night away with an experience, then perhaps this is the hotel for you. The Submarine Hotel is located in St. Lucia and can be navigated around the Caribbean to suit its guests' requirements. You'll get 5-star accommodation beneath the waves, which includes your own captain, private chef and butler, speedboat transfers to and from the submarine, and some additional optional add-ons, like helicopter transfers, beach landings and champagne-soaked breakfasts. The Lover's Deep Submarine is fully equipped with the ultimate in luxury, and everything you'd want from an experience like this. Furthermore, you have the option to modify the voyage to suit your own preferences if you wish, so if you prefer a particular location to another, the captain will follow your commands. This would truly be an experience of a lifetime and one you'd never forget, staying in the most expensive hotel in the world. We hope you enjoyed our list of the 10 most expensive hotels in the world. So, what's the name of the expensive hotel that you have stayed, and what's the price of the hotel suite for one night? Share it in comment section.